To graph this equation, let's first compare it with the slope-intercept form. In the slope-intercept form, m in front of x represents the slope, and b represents the y-intercept. So, by comparing this equation with the slope-intercept form, we can see that the equation has a y-intercept of 1. Also, we can write the y-intercept as an ordered pair. So, let's plot the y-intercept in a coordinate system. Also, the equation has a slope of 0.2. And we can rewrite this as a fraction. And this can be simplified to 1/5. Since the slope of a line is expressed as the ratio of the rise to the run, this tells us that the line of the equation has a rise of 1, and a run of 5. Now, let's count the rise and run in a coordinate system, starting at the y-intercept. Up 1 unit, and then right 5 units. Then, let's draw a line through these points and put arrows on both ends of the line. And this is the line of y equals 0.2x plus 1.